Oberoi Sky City Mall, Borivali. We have a very soft spot for Mumbai. You know, it's a city of pace, performance, and the people who actually wants and speaks out what exactly they need. Yeah? So Vamika is, someone who is very expressive, I think charming, effortlessly elegant, yeah, and she has captivated audience across languages by her performances. Especially, I could recollect Yodha and Khufia. Yeah, that is one of the movies which I have seen. So, and she is someone who I believe is personally a youth icon for all the girls, women out there, who wants to wear jewelry, which is everyday jewelry, a fashion, something which resonates to the new age area. Yeah? And that's why, So Vamika, thank you so much for being here, and blessing us with your presence for the opening of this wonderful store.
Mr. Abjeet, would you like to add something?
First of all, I would like to thank all of you for taking the time and come here. And thank you, Monica, for making this evening wonderful evening. And one thing I would like to mention that she is correctly expressed that though it is 8 decades of legacy, but she correctly identified that the brand is changing with the time. That is the fantastic what she identified. I really thank you very much.
Very nicely put. Ma'am, you've asked a lot of beautiful questions.
So we have a platform called Global Newsmakers and a blog which is doing one of the best in Mumbai.
Superb. That comes the way forward. Do we have any other question from the media? All right. So,
वन सेकेंड वामिका ऐसा कोई पीस है जो किसी ने आपको गिफ्ट किया हो आपकी मेमोरीज में अगर कुछ शेयर करना चाहे उसके बारे में?
देखिए मैं पंजाब से हूँ, मुझे जो याद है जो 2 बार मुझे मिली है वो है पायल। पंजाबी कहते हैं झांझरा। सो मुझे अपनी दादी से और नानी से आई थिंक दैट इज सब बच्चों के लिए वो एक हमेशा रहता था कि पायल मिली है। सो या पायल।
सैनिकों से अगर किसी को गिफ्ट करना होगा बॉलीवुड में कोई ज्वेलरी, वो कौन होगा?
बॉलीवुड
और क्यों? हाँ, मतलब बॉलीवुड में जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको अगर किसी को गिफ्ट करना होगा तो वो कौन होगा और क्यों?
आई थिंक तमन्ना ने अभी अपना ज्वेलरी स्टोर लॉन्च किया है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू गिफ्ट समथिंग, यू नो, मेबी शी गेट इंस्पायर्ड फॉर अदर मोर डिजाइन्स।
थैंक यू।
alright, now I do understand we want the photo ops to happen, but before that, मैंने आप सभी को बताया था कि a lot of things are going to happen here at the Senco store for the first time. One of them being the launching of 2 lines of jewelry, which are happening for the very first.
And we are into manufacturing and selling and retailing of jewelry, which is exquisite, which is karigari at its best. We have the range which caters from earrings to rings to necklaces, bangles, and we bring the craftsmanship of Kolkata to the different and the various part of the country. While talking about the brand, we are the second most trusted brand in the country today, and we have built this rapport over the years by giving a product which is right, at a design which is completely setting up with the expectations of the consumers, and all the jewelries that we bring here is BIS hallmark. The diamonds are IGI and SGL certified, so that's how the trust has been built over the years. With Mumbai, this is our 6th store in Mumbai and second in Borivali rather, and we are still expanding, and this is the 192. This is the 192nd store across the country of Senco, and we are expanding, and we have presence in international markets. We are present in Dubai. We have 2 stores in Dubai, and the collection which I spoke of, we are catering to women's, we are catering to the men's through our Aham collection. So we have the product which is meeting the needs of consumers across all the sections, be it bridal jewelry, be it daily wear, be it evening party wear, so we just cater to all the needs of the consumers. So thank you all once again, and hope you all have a great evening here. And about the collections that we are launching today, we have two collections which we are unveiling, which is Art Deco and Retro. And Amika, let's start this unveiling of the collection.
Alright, so we're not gonna unveil it just yet. We want all of you and be a part of the unveiling that are going to happen for the two line of collections by Senco Gold and Diamonds. Now firstly, Vamika, just a disclaimer for you. We want you to pick that box. That's how the unveiling will happen. And a disclaimer for all the people, fans and customers who are here with us. Let's do a countdown. This is the grand unveiling of the collection by none other than our beloved Vamika Gabbi. So on the count of 3, 2, 1, can you all make some noise for the first line of collection that is launching over here at Senco Gold and Diamonds 6th store in Mumbai. We've got two beautiful collections. The first one you see is the Art Deco collection, a perfect blend of modernity and craftsmanship. And the second one is the Retro collection, keeping you in line with the beautiful culture and tradition of our nation. We would love for all of you to explore both the collections. And Vamika, thank you so much for unveiling both of these line of collection for us.
तीनों का साथ में क्लोज आइए ऊपर जाओ ना फोटो नहीं मिल मैडम जी एक्सक्यूज मी मैम वो मैडम यस लुक स्ट्रेट लुक स्ट्रेट
Alright, Vamika, very quickly, you've just unveiled two collections by Senco Gold and Diamonds. Which of the one it is that you are liking the most right now?
Why are you asking me such a difficult question? You can take both.
हाथ में होल्ड करने बोलो
It totally depends on you. So we've got the Art Deco, that is to your right.
I think I would go with this one for now. This one is really nice, but yeah, I think this is something so unique. This is also unique, but I think I just like the green in it.
Alright, so I'm going to show you something really cool about the Retro collection. Is that it opens up, so you can wear it like this, and then it closes back. So you can also wear it like that. That's a Retro collection. Like I said, it is the best of Indian craftsmanship and the modern tradition that we all take in our veins today as Indians. And Vamika, I must say that was a great choice. Media, please go ahead and do your photographs first. We'll do it with the jewelry collection. Mr. Abhijit.
जिस दिन दिल टूटा हो, उस दिन तो तोड़ दो. जिस दिन दिल सही हो. This is a butterfly. जो तितली को तोड़ दिया, वो मिला दिया.
But हमारी ये तितली टूट नहीं सकती है. Not at all. We've got another, and then let's take some solo shots of Vamika as well.
यस वामिका जी थोड़ा नीचे यहाँ पे देखिए
लुक सेंटर ऊपर लुक
Now you are.
राइट में
Remove the tables now.
अरे क्या बात है बहुत अच्छा अभी सोलो और वो हाथ में होल्ड और पीछे
You guys will take a clean shot. Can we all take a step back?
ये स्वामिका जी यहाँ पे नीचे देखिए
राइट में
मोनिका जी आप अपने कैमरे में देखिए
भूमिका इधर भूमिका जी राइट में
मोनिका जी यहाँ नीचे अभी मेरे कैमरे में
सामने अभी आसिम भाई हैं भाई
चलो थैंक यू हाथ में लेने बोलो
क्या
वामिका होल्ड कीजिए ना वो ऊपर ऊपर यस थैंक यू चलो बाय पैकअप